In the world of business, every company strives for an edge, something that sets them apart from the competition. We call this a competitive advantage, a unique strength that allows a business to outperform rivals and achieve lasting success. Think of it as a special ingredient, a secret sauce that gives a company a superior position in the market. A competitive advantage is not just about offering lower prices or having a wider selection of products. It's about creating value that customers cherish and competitors find difficult to replicate. This is where the VIRO framework comes into play, offering a structured approach to analyze and understand the sources of competitive advantage. The VIRO framework is a powerful tool that helps businesses dissect their resources and capabilities to identify what truly gives them a competitive edge. VIRO stands for value, rarity, imitability, and organization, four key components that determine the strength and sustainability of a competitive advantage. By carefully analyzing each element of the VIRO framework, businesses can gain valuable insights into their strengths and weaknesses. This understanding empowers them to leverage their unique advantages and make strategic decisions to outperform the competition. The first and most crucial element of the VIRO framework is value. Simply put, a resource or capability is valuable if it enables a company to exploit an opportunity or mitigate a threat in the marketplace. It's about creating something that customers are willing to pay for, something that adds real value to their lives. For example, a company with a strong brand reputation has a valuable asset. Customers trust and recognize their brand, giving them a competitive edge. However, value alone is not enough. For a resource to contribute to a sustainable competitive advantage, it must also be rare. Section 4. Rarity and imitability building barriers. Rarity, the second element of VIRO, refers to how unique a resource or capability is in the market. If something is valuable but everyone has access to it, it's not a source of competitive advantage, it's simply table stakes. Think of it like this. A bakery that makes delicious bread might attract customers, but if every bakery in town has the same recipe, it's not a unique advantage. This is where imitability comes in. Even if a resource is rare, it won't provide a lasting advantage if competitors can easily copy it. The harder it is to imitate a resource or capability, the more sustainable the competitive advantage it provides. For our bakery, a secret family recipe passed down through generations would be much harder to imitate, giving them a true edge. Section 5. Organization, executing for success. The final piece of the VIRO puzzle is organization. It doesn't matter how valuable, rare, or inimitable a resource is if a company isn't organized to capture its full potential. This encompasses a company's structure, processes, and culture, all of which must be aligned to support the exploitation of valuable resources. Imagine our bakery with the secret bread recipe. If their baking process is inefficient, their staff is untrained, or their customer service is poor, they won't be able to fully capitalize on their unique advantage. Organization is about ensuring that all the pieces work together seamlessly to deliver value to the customer. Section 6. VIRO in action, the local bakery. Let's bring the VIRO framework to life with a simple example. Imagine a local bakery, the Krusty Loaf, known for its sourdough bread made with a secret starter recipe passed down through generations. Applying the VIRO framework, we can analyze their competitive advantage value. The sourdough bread is highly sought after by customers, who are willing to pay a premium price, demonstrating its value. Rarity. The secret starter recipe is unique to the Krusty Loaf, making it a rare resource. Imitability. Competitors have tried to replicate the bread, but the secret starter gives it a distinct flavor and texture that is difficult to imitate. Organization. The Krusty Loaf has invested in specialized baking equipment, trained bakers, and efficient processes to ensure consistent quality and meet customer demand. By analyzing its resources through the VIRO lens, the Krusty Loaf can confidently say that its sourdough bread, backed by its secret recipe, is a source of sustainable competitive advantage. This understanding empowers them to make strategic decisions, such as expanding their product line, opening new locations, or even franchising their concept, all while leveraging their unique advantage.